Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I will teach you binamatrawaleshabd, words without symbol. In your previous lessons, you have learned swar, swar ki matraएं and व्यंजन. Today you will learn दो अक्षर वाले शब्द means two letter words. Our first word is a plus b. Up. Up means now in English. You can see here a is a vowel and b is a consonant. Second word is a plus mo. How to pronounce it? Together, arm. Arm. Arm means mango in English. So in both the words, we have vowel sound in the starting, a and a. So we have to use it as it is. We can't use symbol in place of vowel here. As you know that a has no symbol, so wherever this a sound will come in the first place, you have to write it a only. Our next word is e plus kh. Eek. Eek. Eek means sugarcane in English. Next word is oo plus n. How to pronounce this together? Oon. Oon. Oon means wool in English. Next word is f plus l. Fal. Fal. Fal means roots. Next word na plus la. Null. Null. Null means tap. Next word ja plus g. Jug. Jug. In English also we say jug. Next word is gha plus ra. Ghar. Ghar means house. Next word is ba plus sa. Bus. Bus, we call it in English also sing. Next word is ja plus la. Jal. Jal means water. Next word is ka plus la. Kal. Kal means tomorrow. Ja plus la. Chal. Chal means walk. Let's practice friends. Chalo abhyas kare. I hope you will also practice with me. So let's start. Dha plus na. Dhan. Cha plus ta. Chat. Ra plus tha. Rat. Da plus ra. Duck. Ta plus ba. Tub. Ka plus ba. Cup. Sa plus ba. Sup. Da plus sa. Thus. Sa plus cha. plus the, eat. Sa plus ra, sar. A plus ka, ek. Da plus la, dal. Ka plus ma, kam. Kha plus ta, khal. Did you enjoy this? You learned all the sounds in your consonants. So here we are using same sounds, same pronunciation. So whatever you have learned in the consonant sound, we are using same sound in the word also. We are saying the, so here also in the word we are pronouncing the. In the consonant na, we are pronouncing na only in the word. I hope you will practice more words. Today you learn how to make words with 2 letters. Please remember friends, each consonant has a sound. Therefore, we are not using any symbol for vowel O. Words can start with vowel also. For example, a plus ma, am. A plus ka, ek. In these 2 words, you can see that a and a is a vowel. At the starting of the word, we are not using vowels symbol. In English, for letter B, we have sound B. But in Hindi, for letter B, we have same sound B. Thank you friends. Dhanyavad. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. I hope you will practice vowels and consonant sounds. Once you learn both sounds, you will be able to pronounce any word and can able to make also any word. So keep learning friends. I will see you in next lesson. Take care. Bye bye.